Guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here to do the Tonic Craft kit number 20 unboxing. They had where you could go back into the vault and purchase any of the kits that were still available from previous months. So this was one of the ones I had debated because I don't really do a whole lot of mixed media, but I really liked the colors in this one. The other thing too is the dye. I was like, whatever, and usually that's like the big thing for me. So let me go ahead and open this for you because I was glad to get it in the vault. And since I am a current subscriber, I used my discount code, which got me a little bit of money off. So they give you this that has the list of the items in it, and I like this color paper that they use. So they have that. This was the month they also gave you a craft kit binder to put your tonic dyes into. So that is fabulous. Do you want to see the dyes now or later? Let's wait till later. We'll see that later. So in this you get the whole, like, it came out in springtime, but it also reminds me of fall time. So you get this spritzer, and it is a fabulous color. It's green and like a gold color, so that was interesting. They had this. I'm gonna cut these open. You guys want me to cut them open? Let's cut them open. Cut them open! Find out what happens. Alright, so this one is a shimmer powder, which I've never ever used these before. Like I said, I do not do a lot of mixed media, but this will be interesting. So I think this works like those Ken Oliver powder thingies where you like put the powder down and put some water on it and it does its thing. I think that's what that is. Okay, like I said, I do not do a lot of mixed media. I would like to do more, but it also requires waiting and so forth. So here's this one unpackaged, and what I do like about their kits is you get a sampling of product and you get a variety of sizes. So they gave you a full-size sequin, which is Champagne Shine, so you can see that. Sparkly. And I don't do too many shaker cards either, but I do like the sparkly. Oh, my poor gem fell off. Well, that's not right. This one is a Crystal Nouveau drop, so one of the mini ones, and its poor crystal came off. Have to put that back on. So it's one of the little mini crystal drops, but look at that color. Dirty bronze. See, I love nature colors. Blue's my favorite, then purple, and hot sassy, you know, like fuchsia, not pink. But oh crud. I guess today is the day of dropsies. So then you get another Nouveau crystal drop. So see what I'm talking about, you get a variety. So you get this little one, but then you get a full-size one of something else. So this is a crystal drop, and it is, I can't see the color, caramel latte. So these are colors right up my alley. You got some twine, which I could have used the other day. I could have used that the other day. You get your paper pad. It's 24 sheets, and then this is what the designs are. So that's lovely. And I like that it's a 6x6 because I don't know, 12x12. I don't always use the 12x12. So I like that it's a 6x6. Then they give you other papers, and these are typically your sampling of like what they have coming out or past items. And just throw that back in there. So, and by now there's plenty of videos and tutorials that you can watch. If there's something, if you want to see me make something out of this, you can let me know that as well. So see these beautiful papers? I hope they're showing up the right way. And look at this wood grain. Oh, and can you hear it? It's all yummy. And then there's this one, which is gorgeous. It's got leaves in the background. I don't know if the camera's picking them up. And then this paper right here is beautiful. I need to see what that is so I can actually buy that one. And then you've got this brown, like, really yummy. Look, it's a mirror so you can see my camera. What? Look at my ugly face. And then here, this is fabulous too. And it's like a stitched woven feel to it. And I like that it's two-sided. Although I'd probably use that side all the time. And then this matte satin color. Awesome sauce. Now we'll just cover that up with some regular ones. So this back in here. I need to find some way to store display these so I can actually see them and use them. All right, now let's get to the nitty-gritty. Right. The dies and stomps and dies. So they had the Easter sale, but obviously that was a long time ago. You get your Woodland Walk stamp, or not stamp, what's this thing called? Sticker. Here's your stamp set, which it has this stamping areas for the box. And then this set of dies, come on out there, baby. Come on, baby. So this set of dies gives you some little panel pieces. They remind me of the Crafter's Companion little patchwork dies is what they're done. But I think they're too big. I think the Crafter's Companion ones are too big. These are cute though. It'd be awesome if they did work. And then you've got the backing layer and the inside, the backing layer and inside for the dragonfly and the ladybug. I wonder why they call ladybugs ladybirds. Because they're not birds. So anybody, if anybody's watching and they are from the UK or they know why they call them ladybirds, could you let me know? Because it's a bug, not a bird. So that's interesting. You know, we all have our different terminologies. So then this is a box die, and it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a hexy box die, which is originally why I didn't buy this set at the beginning, because I had just purchased a die that was a hexagon. So I was like, I don't need another one, but I loved all the other things that came with it. So I'm like, okay, I'll break down and do it now that I can get it in the box. So that is the Tonic 20 kit. And yeah, if you want to see something out of this made or used, you can let me know. I'm still backlogged on my tutorial requests, but as long as you keep making the requests, I'll try to get them out. All right, thanks for watching. I shall see you next time, because the craft kit that's current, which would be 24, is coming out because Monday or tomorrow is the 1st. So that'll be shipping soon too. Woo, 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 woo. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and then also stay tuned for a destash video that will be going up later tonight. Bye.